Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, huh? The Spirit E-310 and the Genesis S-335. Both propane, but there's a big price difference.
Yeah, the Spirit's around $450, while the Genesis is over $1,000. What's making the Genesis so much more?
Well, first off, the Genesis is significantly heavier, 181.6 pounds compared to the Spirit's 98.1. So it's a much sturdier build, probably more stainless steel. The cooking grates on the Genesis are stainless steel, whereas the Spirit has porcelain enameled, cast iron grates.
Ah, stainless steel. Makes sense. And what about size? I see the Genesis is a bit bigger overall.
Yeah, it's a bit wider and deeper, giving you more grilling space, but that's not the only thing. The Genesis has a side burner, which is super handy for sauces or sides. The Spirit doesn't have that. Just side tables.
Good point, I do like a side burner. What about the burners themselves? Are they the same?
Both are 3-burner grills, but the Genesis boasts the pure blue burner system. Weber claims it gives more even heat distribution and minimizes clogging. The Spirit's got a standard snapjet ignition.
Even heat is definitely a plus. Anything else stand out? What about warranty?
The Spirit has a 10-year limited warranty, which is pretty decent. The Genesis doesn't explicitly state the warranty length, so you'd have to double-check that. Also, the Genesis supports the Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection, so you can use custom-fit grillware like pizza stones or griddles. The Spirit has the Weber Work system, which allows for snap-on accessories.
So Genesis is more versatile with the crafted system and has a side burner. The Spirit's lighter, cheaper, and has a stated warranty. Sounds like the Genesis is for serious grillers, and the Spirit's a solid choice for everyday use.
Exactly. And the Genesis is made in the USA, while the Spirit is made in China, if that matters to you. It really comes down to budget and how much you're going to use it.
Okay, that makes the decision a lot easier. Thanks.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.